Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch double-in spatial head units for Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2018 years. Okay, here's the box. This is a big box. Let me unbox. Open the box. It's a very big head unit. Okay. Here is the head unit. You can check. Okay. Let me show the honey set first. This is special harness for Toyota Hilux. Okay, there are so many. This is canvas box. There are so many connectors. This is radio antenna. Okay, and let me show power. This power cable. Okay, speaker. And this connector. Okay, and this connector. Okay. Okay, this is GPS antenna. This is microphone, external microphone. This camera in cable. Okay, and factory USB. USB cable, factory USB. Head unit come with two USB cable, and external microphone port. Okay, and this is video input. AUX left and right. Okay, this is audio cable, subwoofer, Okay, and video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this audio camo left and right, rear and front. Okay, let me show the other unit. It's so big head unit for Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2018, yes. Let me take out the plastic. Okay. Okay, this is Toyota Hilux. Okay, you can check. Inside. Okay. Okay, this is power, fuse, GPS antenna port, connectors, Wi-Fi antenna, is radio port. Okay, you can check the back of head unit. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. It's a template range. Please take out the screw protector before using. Okay, you can check the head unit will be start. Okay, this is the UI interface. Let me check. Very fast response. You can install the wallpaper. Fast response Octa code built in is Google Maps, Google Play Store, and you can install wallpaper. Sorry. Set the wallpaper. Okay, already installed. You can check this is Mac phone. And reset hole. The volume button. Okay, let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Radio and naming, you can set the Google Maps. It's built in the Google Map. Okay, that's all. Thank you.